Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log out of Booking.com application on your smartphone. Logging out is a useful process if you are on a shared device or want to switch accounts, so here's how you do it. First of all, launch open the Booking.com application on your device and log into your account. After you're signed into the homepage of Booking.com, go ahead and tap on the My Account button at the bottom right corner. From the My Account page, scroll all the way down until you see the Sign Out button. If you want to sign out of your account, tap on Sign Out and click on Proceed, and you will then be logged out immediately. Now you're logged out of your Booking.com account. If you ever want to sign in again, make sure to enter your correct account's credentials. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.